Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Microsoft Clipchamp, a video editing software by Microsoft, which even I personally use. So for downloading that, first what you have to do is open Microsoft Store. So here you can see Microsoft Store is launching. So now on the search bar, search here for Microsoft Clipchamp. So here you can see Microsoft Clipchamp is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed this, so this is showing as update, but you can download from here by clicking on get. So let me show you the interface of this Microsoft Clipchamp. So just wait. So here you can see I have opened the Microsoft Clipchamp. So this will be ready in a moment. So here you can see this is the interface of the Microsoft Clipchamp. So by clicking on this, create a new video, you can start editing a new video. So if you want a tutorial on this, how can you edit videos in Clipchamp, you can let me know in the comment section and I will make a full tutorial on editing in Clipchamp. So I think that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Even this video is gonna edit into Microsoft Clipchamp. Thank you.